You know, there's so many little habits that we can add into our life that can enhance our health, our wellness, and our fitness. So today, I want to share a couple things I frequently do when I'm in front of the TV watching something like Beat Bobby Flay or some favorite HGTV show. Hi, Danna Demetre here with Lean Healthy Ageless and the co-author of the Eat, Live, Thrive diet. And if you're a woman 45 plus that wants to have your best health, your best vitality, your best body, no matter what your age, you've come to the right spot. Okay, so I'm going to show you a couple exercises that I do frequently. The first is actually an exercise I learned when I had knee surgery, and it was specifically to help strengthen the muscles around my knees. So this exercise is basically just a leg lift. You can see I'm just sitting with my legs straight out in front of me. Now, if you want more support, you could be sitting against your couch or a chair, but it actually, if you can do it just sitting, you're going to engage even more ab muscles. So the first purpose of this exercise is to strengthen these muscles that support the knee. It's also going to shape your upper thigh, your quads. But what I love is the big bonus is it engages the abs. It is really a core exercise. And I find when I do this exercise, it helps my back strength and I have less back pain. So what does it look like? Simple, like this. Simple leg lifts. Now, you can start without weights because your legs weigh quite a bit. I try to do about 10 reps on each side. When this gets easy, you can add ankle weights, which I frequently do for a little bit more intense workout. Again, I finish 10 on one side. I just keep alternating, ideally doing 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps each set. Simple, 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 and I have to really engage my abs. If you feel your abs while your leg is lifted, you're gonna see they're strong and they're tight. You do need to do your best to keep good posture and hold everything in. You don't wanna be all slouchy. You wanna be tight and lift. Always exhale on effort. It's that simple. Now, while I'm down here, I might as well get a little bit more of an ab workout. And I'm not a person that thinks you have to do tons and tons of abs to have flat abs. First of all, the belly fat that's on top of your abs, it's just going for a ride. What we're trying to do when we're working our abdominal muscles is create a kind of a muscle girdle to support our backs so we have good posture. And of course, when our abs are tight, we do seem to be a little smaller in the midsection because we're holding everything in. So one of the things I like to do is just take a little roll down and then take a little roll up. Now, if your abs aren't very strong, you may not be able to get up all the way. So you can modify on this end just by pulsing. You never want to pull on your neck. You want to keep everything nice and stable, but just little pulses, pulling your belly button into your spine. Now, once you're up, you can also do a little pulse from here. So even if you have to help yourself up, you can do a little pulse at a little different angle. So that's my quick Beat Bobby Flay watching TV exercise for you today to strengthen around your knees, shape your quads, firm up your abs. That's it, simple. Do it whenever you watch TV and let's see what happens. Hey, wait, before you go, if you like this video, would you click the like button? And if you haven't already subscribed to our YouTube channel, click the subscribe button and click the little bell and you'll get a notification every time we do a new video.